let's talk about size and scope and what we mean when we say add size and scope to your resume, because this is probably the easiest thing for most people to embellish their resume with.
Yeah, absolutely. Size and scope ultimately goes to your credibility. So when we're talking about size and scope, this person is saying, if you look at under tech legal associates, supported cases of many sizes. Okay. Size, if you're adding in size and scope, thank you, Katie. That is going to be able to say, I support 200 attorneys. There are 500 end users. The number of offices you're supporting, where are those offices geographically? Is it across the country? Is it across the world? Being able to say all of that, yeah, supported cases of many sizes. If we go to our good resume, our after, Katie, then we'll see, supported 100 plus simultaneous cases, ranging in size from 100 gigs to 5 terabytes, right? Things like that. That is going to lend your credibility and help your reader understand the scale on which you are comfortable and accustomed to working. All of that makes for a more meaningful contribution to your resume. And that is really going to set you apart from the pack.
It also becomes the conversation starters on the interview, right? So instead of
Absolutely.
trying to figure out how many cases and how big they are and how many attorneys and what's the biggest data set that you've taken and used technology assisted review or advanced analytics or continuous active learning to reduce that data set, all of those kinds of metrics when it comes to size and scope now allow the interviewer, when they're looking at the resume, to say, hey, let's go deeper here, or to recalibrate expectations. Meaning, for example, they may say, hey, listen, you're spending 25% of your time on collections right now, 20% on processing, 20%. Over here, you're never going to touch collections, right? I just want to make that clear, right? You'll probably give that up to come and take this job. Are you okay with that? Right? And now you're getting into conversations about setting expectations for success and what the job responsibilities will entail, as opposed to an interviewer wondering what you do and how you do it and how big you do it or not.